Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to stay on top of all your documents using the deleted folder in the SigniFlow Workspace. First, log in. To access the deleted folder, simply click on the Documents folder, then navigate to the deleted folder. It is important to note that when a workflow is deleted, only the audit trail is kept and sent to the deleted folder. Before you delete a workflow, make sure you have downloaded your document or no longer need it, as the document cannot be recovered after deletion. Here you will see your document ID. This is your unique document identifier. Your document name is next. You can see by who the document was requested. You can see on which date the document action was requested. The date the document was deleted is visible. Here, you can permanently remove a workflow and delete all data from the system. To obtain more information regarding a workflow, simply navigate to the left drop-down arrow. Clicking on the drop-down arrow will open the audit log. The audit includes a detailed timeline of every interaction with the document. If needed, you can also download the audit log for your records. For a deeper understanding of how the audit log works, be sure to watch our dedicated video that explains the SigniFlow audit log in more detail. You'll find the link in the description below. The workflow information is available to you. Here you will be able to see more information regarding the workflow. If the document was signed and geolocation was enabled, the geolocation of the signer will be populated here. That is an overview of the deleted folder in SigniFlow. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.